there, this is Stacie. I hope everyone's having a great day. Lo and behold, I am back with another video. I probably have not filmed a video in about 6 months, and just kind of more like life gets in the way. I do keep up with my blog very often. I actually update that probably 3 times a week. So if you want to catch up with me and see the different products that I am reviewing, what's going on in my life and all that, that's a good place to catch me, as well as on Instagram. So today's video is about the Revive Light, and this is the Revive Lip Therapy Lip Care Light, and I did an initial video way back when I started it, back in I think February. I was supposed to do a 12-week video, so I'm a little late on filming this, but I am finally back to doing that for you. So what this is an LED light device that you use to hopefully get rid of the lip lines, the vertical lip lines and lip lines that you get around your mouth. So it's more of a targeted area type. It looks like this, it goes in your mouth. I will link my previous video that I did, kind of my initial video explaining it a little bit. And then this is kind of like the follow-up, sort of like the results video. So this is the little device. You press the button here to turn it on. You can see there's the red lights that are emitted from the device, and you put it in your mouth like that. It stays on for 3 minutes and turns itself off. So a 3-minute cycle is all you need, which is really easy to do. I mostly did this in the morning. If I forgot to do it in the morning, I would do it in the evening, but I would literally just pop that in my mouth, leave it on while I was doing other things. I could, you know, go get dressed, put on my shoes, just kind of like whatever I was doing in the morning. So it's definitely a very convenient device to use. And so there's different science and technology behind the whole LED light thing. As you can see, those are red lights. So when we say LED lights, it's not like the lights, you know, from your ceiling light bulbs or even like my ring light bulbs. That's not going to help me. The red lights are what help to build collagen. And so just using this device for 3 minutes a day should help me do that. And I am actually really happy to say that I do feel like my vertical lip lines look better. They are definitely not gone. And this is not the only thing that I use. I have a whole entire sort of skincare and my tools routine that I use around my mouth, but I definitely do see improvements. I'll move closer to the camera. I'm not sure if you'll be able to tell, but I will put here, while I'm speaking, my before picture, or pictures, because I always take close-ups of the different areas that I'm kind of testing devices on, and then as well as my after pictures. So I'll just try to get a little close here. My camera's a little far away from me for me to be able to get any closer than that. I apologize for that, but like I said, I've got close-up pictures as well that I will insert here. So again, this one is the Revive Light Therapy device. It's convenient to be able to just pop it in your mouth and go about your business. I've used other light therapy devices before and never could really stick to the routine because it was like a handheld device, you know, that I had to hold there, and I just don't do it. So the convenience of this in itself helps me to stick to my routine. It has a cute little travel bag like this, and I literally have taken this with me on trips. It's that convenient to use. My friend, Mary Ellen, who is Mary Ellen After 60, she, I believe, just turned 64 years old. She also tested out this device. I haven't watched her video. Actually, I haven't watched it because it's going up at the same time that mine's going up. So let's go over there when you finish my video, and vice versa. Welcome to my channel if you're coming to me after watching her video. So Mary Ellen will be talking on her channel about her results after using this device for 12 weeks as well. I think we both have codes for you guys to use to get a 20% discount. It's kind of one of those non-expiring sort of codes that you can use at any time. We will both link that below our videos. Again, the Revive Light Therapy device, I believe it's $99. And then with 20% off, that's just $80. So that's not a bad deal to give it a go. So there's a lot of science behind the whole thing with the LED lights. These are red lights. I know there's amber lights and blue lights, and they all do different things. I know blue light, I believe, is to treat acne. The red light is for building collagen. So the claims that they make here on the packaging are that their lights will naturally build collagen to tackle fine lines, wrinkles, loss of firmness, elasticity, and increased circulation. You'll experience a more youthful, fuller lip within 3-minute daily treatments. And again, I've done several other things, and I can do another video for you guys. I've been doing some derma rolling. I just started using a microcurrent device at home. I do different lotions and potions that I put on, and I'm just trying everything that I can do. So the device is safe for all ages. It's safe for all skin types. I hope you'll go check out Mary Ellen's video. Go check out the website where they sell these and make the decision for yourself whether or not you want to get one. So I hope everybody enjoyed watching. I hope you learned something from my video. I will be back soon with more skincare and makeup videos to help us all with our anti-aging process. So I hope everybody has a great day, and I will see you all again soon. Thank you so much for watching.